craving real Jamaican flavor? This oven jerk fish with coconut festival balls and fried plantains is calling your name.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds.
Now for the ingredients highlight. We don't have scotchy, so we're using habanero pepper, green onions, 2 red snappers ready to go. Also olive oil, wet jerk seasoning, a mixture of spices, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, dry jerk seasoning, onion and garlic powder. Alright, and that is what we'll use to spice up our fish, guys. And we are getting it started because we want to do, a little OG style. Alright, and here we are getting our scallions nice and chopped. Alright, because we need to release all those flavors, man. And there we are, almost done. Alright, up next we're adding some spice and habanero it is, followed by the wet jerk seasoning and olive oil. We have added the dry seasonings as well, and what we're doing here, guys, is just to make a nice little mix so we can incorporate everything together. Now while those seasonings are activating, we're going to go ahead and score our fish so that it can soak up every bit of spice and flavor. Now these are nice and clean and ready to go. We had rinsed before with some lemon juice. Alright, to drain and also pat dry, so applying the seasoning can be effective, right? So we did add a little easy spice fish seasoning before we're adding this marinade, right? Because we want to ensure that we lock in all the flavors, guys. These fish are on the thicker side and we have to season generously to ensure that it is nice and tasty. And to the bowl they go for about an hour or two to marinate. Now inside this bowl we have flour, cornmeal, baking powder, little sugar and some salt, and we're going to use a mixture of coconut milk and vanilla to create a soft dough. And look at that, guys. In 3, 2, 1, it is ready. Now we're not overworking this dough, we're just kneading lightly, after which we'll allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. And here's why. This time allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to shape and fry evenly. Alright, up next we are greasing our grill, alright, to put the fish on. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Now while our fish is going, in the meantime we are dividing our dough and shaping into some lovely coconut festival balls. When I tell you that these were tasty, oh my goodness. So just use your thumb to guide the dough, cover in a little claw there to round it up nicely. And of course we are gonna allow it to rest again before we even drop these, guys. When I tell you that they're going to be so crispy on the outside and so soft and delicious on the inside, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, Alright, and there we are, finishing off the remainder, and just like that, that's our last one, guys, and now they are relaxing. And to the plantains we go, and I'm cutting them in diagonal because it gives you a longer, elegant slice that cook more evenly and look so beautiful on the plate. It also increases the surface area so you can get more of that golden caramelized goodness in every bite. And as a Caribbean or as a yardie, you gotta watch these plantains because by the time you quint, they are ready. Alright, guys, this is what our sauce is looking like. It is white cranberry with a little tomato sauce, jerk seasoning there, and look at our fish. Oh yeah, guys, this is smelling so divine. When I tell you this aroma, I wish you could smell in this kitchen right now because you just eat up everything, I tell you. Now while we return that to the oven, we are dropping our coconut festival balls. And flame management is important at this time because you don't want them to brown too quickly without cooking on the inside, right? So we drop them in about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We slow cook these, we cover them, allow them to cook so nicely on the inside. And in the meantime, we are getting our sauce nice and ready. So we have added white cranberry going in there with some jerk seasoning, a little sugar, and we're going to stir, guys. We are also going to add a little ketchup as well. You could add tomato paste if you wish, and we're just going to allow this to boil, reduce it to simmer until it is nice and thick for us to coat our delicious jerk fish. All right, and by the time you know it, the festival balls are nice and golden, soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. And we're just removing them, shaking off any excess grease that we're able to. And look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Can somebody look at this? Alright, and just like that, one by one they're coming out, draining, and they'll relax until we are ready to serve. And after about 5 to 7 minutes, guys, our sauce is nice and thick, ready to go, smelling so good, full of flavor. Oh my goodness. Now we are going to use this sauce to add some moisture to our jerk fish because we're broiling, and you know, broiling it is at a high temperature because we want to mimic that charcoal vibe, that charred vibe, guys. We have to keep it nice and moist so it is not too dry. All right, and there we are. So it's adding moistness, and it's also giving us another burst, another layer of flavor. All right, now it's time to plate this beauty, our oven baked jerk fish. Look at that color, deep, rich, and packed with bold jerk flavor. Now, if you're looking at this and thinking, Teika, it looks a little dark, don't worry, that's exactly what you want. That charred appearance isn't burnt, it's the marinade caramelizing in the oven, locking in all that smoky, spicy goodness, guys. That's how you know the flavor is real, I tell you. Oh my goodness. And just look at that, guys. Don't tell me I'm not tantalizing your taste buds. And come on, you can't have a proper Jamaican plate without fried plantains. Let's talk about these coconut festival balls. Crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside. The coconut just takes it a whole new level. When I tell you golden perfection in every bite, you best believe clocking all the T's, man. Oh my goodness, so tasty. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe and you're craving more bold Jamaican flavors, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Teika's Kitchen, and tap that bell so you never miss a dish. Drop a comment below and let me know which part of this plate would you dive into first. Let's keep the flavor conversations going. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me here in Teika's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed every moment of this flavorful journey. If you'd like to support the channel and get exclusive perks like early access to videos, behind the scenes content, and members only recipe, then go ahead and click the join button and become a part of Teika's Kitchen family. Until next time, stay blessed, stay flavorful, and I'll see you in the next one.